question 6, we have an inflation question, and there's a couple of things in here. One is about percentages, and then we've got stuff to do with rates and direct proportion. So for part A, overall percentage increase, we do not simply add the percentages together, because at the end of the first year, the price of petrol is 2.1% greater than it was at the beginning, which means when you add on 0.5%, it's 0.5% of a larger amount. And then at the end of 2 years, this 2% is added on to an even larger amount. So the overall increase is going to be more than just the sum of these. So you do this question with percentage multipliers, percentage increase multipliers. 1.021 for an increase of 2.1%. 1.005 for an increase of 0.5%, and if you're unclear where that comes from, you do 100 plus 0.5 to get 100.5%. Then divide this number by 100, decimal place moves over 2 places in between the 1 and the 0, so it's 1.005. And then for a 2% increase times 1.02. This would give you this number, which we've then got to change back into a percentage increase. So we shall multiply it by 100 to get 104.662%. Finally take away 100, and our final answer is 4.66%. So now on question B, we need to get the price of petrol in March 2018. So we are given the price at the end of this period, so we work backwards and find the price at the beginning. So we take the 136.4, we divide by this multiplier here, the 1.04662, and that will give us the price of petrol in March 2021. So that will be 130.324. And finally we'll multiply this by the volume of the tank, so price per litre multiplied by number of litres. So you get £58.65, and depending on how you had rounded the 130.3, that could have been 58.64, but that wouldn't have mattered for the marks.